metal, flintstone, native cotton and dry grasses. Ayan, he will transfer it in the dry grass then dough. So, sa kanila po, in their own, their making fire is more faster than the normal one. Even though we have matches or lighters po, they still do that po. They still use that process.
Yeah.
Especially the one who lives in the mountain.
Okay.
Nice.
It's fast po, ano.
It's only stone.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
When their target is already visible po, they just need to ready their blow pipes.
Ah.
Just look at that drawing po. That's their target.
Ah. Oh my God. Seriously though.
They're going to play those instruments together.
Okay.
They call the set basan.
Ah.
Nhớ